Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Nur Amalia. I'm from class 12-5. The importance of reading. I personally think that reading is an important activity in our life. Why do I say so? Firstly, by reading, we can get a lot of information about many things in the world, such as science, technology, sport, art, and culture. Secondly, by reading, we can get a lot of new and knowledge about something happening in any part of the world which we can see directly. Thirdly, reading can give us pleasure. Pleasure. When we are tired, we can read books, newspaper, or magazines on the entertainment column such as short stories, comedies, or quiz to make us relax. Fourthly, reading can also take us to other part of the world. By reading a book about Irian Jaya, we may feel that we're really sitting in the jungle, not at home in our rooms. Besides, on the fact above, it is obvious that everyone needs to read books, newspapers, magazines, or other to get knowledge, new, new information, and also entertainment. In other words, we can say reading is truly important in our life. Sekian dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Mrs. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Siti Nur Amalia. I am a student of accounting 2. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity. I'm so glad this presentation. In this time, I would like to present about job training program. The first thing, I would like to present about the background of job training. Firstly, beside on the structure of the vocational curriculum program that various students have to complete their study in implementing the job training program. Secondly, because it built mental skill of student. So after graduation, they ready to go into working world. Lastly, job training program also apply the knowledge from school at the place of industrial employment practice. Job training program has many purposes. There are first, building skilled expertise and personality. Next, finding out the atmosphere of the world of work directly beside. Job training give us experience of training for student furthermore, and it apply the, the knowledge on how to work in the industry, and the last is strengthening the link and match between school and industries. Next, I'm going to present about time and place of job training program. I did job training program at SMK Pembangunan. It is location at Jalan Pajajaran number 163 in Bogor. I did job training on the 9th of Augustus, the 221 until 30 of October 221. It was done by offline at school and online from home. I need some material and equipment in the job training. There are document letter, snail hector, stationery, photocopy machines, calculator, perforator, stapler, Mayob application program, computer and printer, clip paper, journal book, and sticky notes. I did many activities in job training. There are first, analyze evidence of transaction and makes the journal. Next, operating computer accounting. Besides, make the bank reconciliation, and then fill out tax deposit slip. Next, I would like to present about the strength and weakness factor I have got when I did job training program. I start with the strength factor. First, motivation and support from all people. Next, the guidance from the teacher in doing job training program. And the last, the material and equipment are well available now. Um, let's go to the weakness factor. First, sometimes the students are bored in doing job training. Next, the teacher is too busy, so he cannot give guidance directly. And the last, some of work cannot be able to finish on time. I'm so thankful that I have an experience in doing job training program because I get many benefit of it. There are, firstly, student is able to apply the dual program beside the curriculum. Secondly, the student can try to work in the team. Therefore, get a new experience of the world of work. And the last, can apply and improve the knowledge that has been obtained. The last, I would like to present about conclusion of job training program. There are, first, it built skill, expertise, and personality. So we are ready to go into working world. Next, the student could get a lot of new experience from the business world. Besides the knowledge from school, and then by following on the job training, the student could increase the discipline in everything. I think that's all my presentation about job training program. I do apologize if I made some mistake in delivering this presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.